My name is Jacqui and I'm studying a Masters of Applied Sports Science at Deakin. My passion for the industry stemmed from years of playing netball. Unfortunately, I suffered career-ending injuries, all due to overuse and preventable injuries. I became very passionate about injury prevention. So a Masters of Applied Sports Science is a continuation from an undergraduate of exercise and sports science. It's quite a developing field and it gives you the opportunity to go into high performance coaching, high performance management, performance analytics and data analytics as well. I'm definitely a data nerd. So one of the great things about Deakin is how interactive it is, especially when it comes to our intensives every semester. It gives you the ability to apply your theoretical knowledge in a practical hands-on setting. So part of my role as a performance coach and an educator at Virtus Performance is about taking on undergraduate Deakin students as well. So we currently have 10 interns under our supervision, and the great thing about that is that we get to mold this internship structure and program to suit their needs as well. So if you are the slightest bit passionate about seeing where your career in this industry can take you, I highly recommend doing a postgraduate course in applied sports science.